Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you this scarf. For those of you that are interested in this scarf tutorial, I will have in the comment section below this video, go to the comments where you usually leave a comment, and the first comment will be the link for this scarf tutorial. Yeah. But I wanted to show you how this scarf looks with these sides. Yeah, because usually with this scarf, with this stitch, we worked a short chain. Depends how wide you want the scarf. But this I tried with a long chain. So I chained for this one 150 chains. So we have these sides. Yeah, because if you are to chain 22, 24, 26, we're gonna have this on the long side of the scarf. So I was thinking maybe this one is kind of clean cut, the sides, so the ends you can attach tassels. I left the tail here. So for example, if you are to chain a long chain with this working with this stitch for a scarf, you can leave a long tail when you start to chain the chains, and then you can attach tassels, so this tail is gonna blend with the new tassels that you're gonna attach. Yeah, it's quite easy. This I worked with 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, even though this yarn recommends that I should use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, but I wanted the scarf to be a little bit elastic, loose, fun. But if you are to work with let's say 3.5, this yarn recommends 3.5, this stitch will be really compact, not much you can see the beauty of the stitch. But this way I think with the, let's say, 2 numbers, 1.5 number bigger, this stitch looks quite nice, and you can see it's quite defined. But I wanted to show you how this stitch will look if you are to chain a long chain. And with these sides, they're quite nice. So the first row, when we start, we have single crochet in each chain, and we finish with a single crochet into the last row before we close the work. So if some of you want to work with this stitch for a scarf, try with a longer chain. And I can tell you, this one, you can finish this scarf if you are an advanced, let's say, or okay crocheter. I don't think it will take you more than 3-4 hours to finish this scarf, even with a long chain, even though it's a little bit uncomfortable, the long chain, but you finish this really fast. This one has only 10 centimeters wide, and it's long 136 centimeters. So it's not that long. You can put this around your neck once, and it's gonna be on your chest, and you zip the jacket or whatever, and it's not gonna hang too long. But for a child, I think 1 meter and 36 centimeters is long enough, and this wide, I think it's 10 centimeters. I think it's perfect. So if some of you're interested, you know this stitch is the bean stitch. Very easy, 1 row repeat, goes really fast, but this one is gonna eat some yarn. So for a scarf, an adult scarf, I would recommend have at least 240 grams of yarn, in case you want to attach, of course, some tassels at the end. But this one, working with puffs, this one is gonna take some yarn. But try with variegated yarn, try with changing colors, maybe every 2 rows. So you're gonna have this 2 rows, 1 color, 2 rows, next color, 2 rows, next color, and so on. Or you can use only 2 colors or 3 at the most. So try this one with a long chain. Yeah. Because I'm not such a big fan to have on here to have this. I don't know, doesn't doesn't appeal me. But you can try to hide this with, in between the puffs, putting tassels. Yeah. Well, I hope I give you an idea and you can work this. It's still winter, it's still cold. Try this this stitch for a blanket, for a scarf, for a hat. But if you are to do a hat, make sure that you use the same crochet hook number, because it's a little bit, you know, if you work with bigger, there are some openings. For a spring hat, for a autumn hat, late autumn, I think it's okay to use a bigger crochet hook. Even for a scarf, I like a little bit elastic and loose and easy to put on you and carry this. And of course the yarn for a scarf or even a hat, it should be a little bit, let's say, soft. But if it's not soft, use a bigger crochet hook than the yarn recommends. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.